In this video, you will get to know Papaya Workers platform and all it has to offer you. Our web application allows you to report leave, view payslips, view personal and work-related documents, and manage your bank details. The platform is customized based on your employer's request. Once you are logged into your account, you can see your dashboard. Here you can report time off and view recent payments. You can choose other languages in the top right corner. To report time off, click Report Leave. Choose the type of leave and the dates. Add attachments if necessary, and submit. In the Payslips section, you can find all your payslips. Click a payslip to view it. You can download all payslips. Check a few chosen payslips and download them, or download a single payslip. In the File section, you can view documents and periodic statements. Click a document to view it. You can download all documents. Select a few specific ones to download, or open the menu to download or request updates for a specific file. In the Time Off Report section, you can see all your reported time off. In the Personal section, you can view your personal information and your payment accounts. To add or update your bank account details, go to Payment Accounts and click the pencil. Input the details, check the consent box and save, so we can start the verification process. Click the question mark to read the frequently asked questions. You can also contact our support team by clicking Request Help on various topics. Fill in the request topic and details and send. Thank you for watching.